Hi, my dear grade 9 students. In our 50th unit equations, already we did our review exercise. So today we have to consider about the solving linear equations with two types of brackets. So especially there are three types of brackets and one is parenthesis. So that's like this. And the next one is we know that's curly brackets. The next one is uh, that's like square. So it's known as uh, square brackets. So now here we have to identify how can we solve uh, questions. So now let us see. I'll explain some examples. So here uh, 5, 2. I'm taking an example from your textbook. Uh, Now you see. Yeah, I'm going to simplify this one. I can simplify this. So yeah, first of all, I can expand this one. So 2 into x, oh that's 2x, and then here 2 into 3 is 6, so it should be plus, and minus 1 is here, and curly bracket is here, and here it's 5. So now you see I can write like this, no, 5 curly brackets 2x plus 6 and minus 1. So plus 6 minus 1 mean it's plus 5 deduction, no. Now here I have to multiply by this. So 5 into 2, 10. So 10x plus. So 5 into 5 and it's 25. So I can simplify like this. So here there are several rules. First of all, we have to consider about the small bracket and we have to expand that part, and then we have to consider about the other brackets. So now let us consider how can we uh, solve a question. Uh, so now I'm taking question from our textbook. So the question is 2 and 2x minus 1 plus 2. So that's equals to 11. So this one is the question number 1 from exercise 15.1. Now here, my dears, first of all we have to simplify the small one, parenthesis one. So now here 2 into x, that's 2x. Then 2 into 1, 2, so it should be minus 2, and already here there's a plus 2, and using the curly one, okay, so 18. Now my dears, here minus 2 plus 2, so we can cut both of 2's. So here now we have to multiply by this one. So 2 into 2, 4x. So 4x equals 18, and then here we know multiplication, so we have to divide. Here also we have to divide. So x is equals, we can simplify further. We can divide by 2, so 9 by 2, so 9 by 2 means 4.5. So that's the final answer. So here also first we used the small one, we have to expand that one, and we have to move to the next one later. So that's the further method, and there are several activities and examples further, so we can move on. Okay, so we will consider about another example here. So another example, that one is also from book. So I'm taking another question. So 5, 2 plus 3 and x plus 2 and ending the curved one, then 10. Okay, so now you see 5, so curly brackets. So first of all we have to consider about the small bracket. So here uh, 2 is okay, plus if we have to multiply by this 3, because here there is the addition mark, no, then 3 into x, that's 3x. Then 3 into 2, that's 6, so plus 6. Then close the bracket and the answer is 10. Now my dears, here 2 plus 6, that's 8, no? 2 and plus 6, that's 8. So 8 plus 3x, the curly brackets are here. Then 5, so that's equal to 10. Then what we have to mean, we have to expand. So 8 into 5, that's 40, plus 5 into 3, 15 x, that's equal to 10. Now here you see 40 is here, so I'm just I'm adding, that means the subtract minus 40, here also subtract minus 40. So the 15x is equals 10 minus 40, and then it should be minus 30. So now here we have to divide by 15 in both sides. So x is equals 30 divided by 15, 2, but here minus, so it's minus 2. So that's the final answer. So then we are going to study about how to solve linear equations containing fractions. So here already we know the cross multiplication method, or sometimes we can say a butterfly method also. Now here, so it will go through some examples. So now here you see x plus 3, that's divided by 2, and that's equal to 15. So this one is example from our book. So here you see, here we can do like this. Here this part is like a fraction, so this part is not like a fraction, so we can change into fraction like this, no? So now the both parts are fractions. Now the denominator and the numerator parts, so here we have to multiply like this. The here it's like this, so you have to multiply in this way. So x plus 3 multiplied by 1, so x plus 3 wholes, that's multiplied by 1, so and that's equals to, here we have to multiply by like this, so 15 into 2, so 15 into 2, and here when we are multiplying by 1, it's the same as x plus 3, and that's equals to 30. Now here it's plus 3, no? Plus 3, and here it's minus 3. Here also it's minus 3, then only we can get the answer for the x. So x equals, so 30 minus 3, that's 27, no? It's 27. And we will see some examples. So here, now this one is 3x by 2 plus x by 4. So now this one is something different. Here you see there are several fractions, no? So this one is a fraction and this one is a fraction, but here this one is not like a fraction, so I'm changing into one fraction this. So now let us see, here we have to identify the denominators. Here denominator is 2 and here the denominator is 4. So when we are facing a situation like this, what we have to do means we have to equal the denominators. So here it's 4, no? We have to multiply by 2. So in denominator for the numerator also. So now it is 4, here also 4, okay. Now here 3 into 2, 6x plus 4, and here it's x. So that's equals to 7 by 1. Now it is 4, and here 6x plus x, 7x, that's equals to 7 by 1. So my dears, now we can cross multiply easily. Here also there's another option, my dears. Here you see the this here 7x, here also 7, so we can cut, no? 7 one times, here also 7 one times, that's also correct. Now we can multiply here x into 1, no? So x into 1, and that's equals to here 4 into 1, 4 into 1, so then x, that's equals to 4. So this one is the final answer. That one is the final answer. So when we are facing two fractions in a side, we have to equal them, equivalent fractions, and just we have to simplify the the equation correctly, then it should be the correct way. And now little consider about some other examples. So this one is also a question from our activity. Ax plus 3 by 2 and minus x plus 1 by 3, that's equal to 2. So now here you see, my dears, here also there's a fraction, and I'm changing this one as a fraction. But the problem is here the denominators are not same, no? Then what we have to do means we have to change the denominators, no? So it will change. So here it's 2 and here it's 3, no? So we can easily move via the LCM way. And then we have to here multiply by 3 here, and here also we have to multiply by 3, no? In both parts. And then here we have to multiply by 2. Uh, here also we have to multiply by 2, no? Then here 2 into 3, that's 6, and here it's what will happen mean, uh, we have to multiply 3 into x, that's 3x, and 3 into 3, that's 9, minus here also 6, then 2 into x, 2x, plus 2, so that's equals to 2 by 1. Then 6, no, come and take that one, so 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x mean x, so 9 minus 2, that's 7, so it's plus 7, that's equals to 2 by 1. Now we will cross multiplication, so it's like this, no? So x plus 7 into 1, it's x plus 7, that's equals to here 6 into 2, 6 into 2, that's 12, that's also very easy. So the final answer is we have to minus the 7, here also minus the 7, so we can cut, so x is equals, the final answer is 5. So like this we can easily simplify these type of questions. So you can practice, there are several questions in page number 78 and 77. So if you have any problem